find the flower bed. Now, I really like this savings challenge. With this savings challenge, you are finished when you have scratched off all the flower beds. Each carrot you land on will cost you $2. How much will you save? So no two people will end up saving the same amount because it just depends. Like the first time I played this, I didn't land on any of these. And then the second time I played it, I landed on 2. So we are here right now. And let me get my dice out and we will help the rabbit find the flower bed. So I'm gonna wipe that off. Put my quarter there though, because that's where we're starting from. And let me get my dice. Okay, so let's see here. Keep it in view. Okay, let's see what we get. We got a 1, so we're here. So I have to give $2 because I landed on a carrot. Okay, I'm gonna roll again. 4. So we have to start all the way up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so close. Another $2. And I think I'm gonna do 5 rows. So I've already done 2. I'm gonna do 3 more rows. This is the third one. 3. 1, 2, 3. Another $2. I got 2 more rows, you guys. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so close. And this is my last row. Fingers crossed, you guys. Fingers crossed. 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another $2. So let me mark this here. This is where I am. Circle it or something. And I owe another $2. 1, 2. So let's see how much goes into our rabbit savings challenge for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. So we're just gonna take 2 5s and put the singles back. And we will add this. And it looks like we currently have in our rabbit savings challenge 20, 30, 41. Total $41. So 10, 20. I'm switching this out for a $20 bill. Okay, $41 in our rabbit savings challenge, you guys. How much will you save? Okay. Our next savings challenge is, oh, this is our deck of cards savings challenge. And we currently should have 29 in here. And we do. So we're going to pull out a card for this one. And in case you're new here, whenever I pull out the cards and I pull out a card from the deck, 1 through 10 is the face value. A jack is a 10. A queen is a 15. A king is a 20. A ace is a 50. And a joker is 100. So when you play this game, you want to make sure you have $100. Okay. So let's pull out our deck of cards here. Okay, these cards are a little slippery, so last time I dropped them everywhere. There's always a joker at the bottom. Look at that, you guys. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. See, they're a little slippery. But they're so adorable. Okay. A 3. So I'm going to pull out another one. And a 4. And I'm going to pull out another one. A king. Okay, so a king. Remember we said the king was worth, what was the king? What was the king worth? 20. So we have 27 here. So let me see what color marker I'm going to use. I'm going to use orange. So we have 27 here. Yeah, if I'd have put out a joker, that would have been a 1 card pool. Okay, so 25, 26, and 27. 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So we have 56. So I'm going to take 5 of these and pull out a 5. Alrighty. So 20, 40, 55, 56. Alright. The next challenge is a $4 challenge. So I'm just gonna add $4 to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna take a 1 from here and put a 5 in here. All right, so now we have $28. 25, 26, 27, 28. Yep, that's correct. Okay, and our next challenge is a $1 challenge, and I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna add $7 to this. So yay, finished. And we finished this on 3, 8, 26. And how many dollars I put? 7. 5, 6, 7. So let's make sure this is 30. 10, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So I am going to take these 10 5s. And we have our 10, 20. Oh, I'm gonna give me a 20. We have our $30. Yay! So this and this one is complete. So I'm gonna put these together and put them into the money bag to go in the safe. 1 second. Okay. So this one is a savings challenge, and it's $30. You know what? Now think about it. I didn't even have to fill out one of these because the card has what it is on there. But anyway, anywho. Okay, so that's 30. Put this aside for a second. Okay, we already have one of our savings challenges for $100 that we finished. No, that we didn't finish, that we had 100. So we put it over here and put a placeholder. So this one we're moving over here because this one's completed. Okay. Hold that up. That's going back into the safe. All right, now let's continue. And this one is our dice, also our domino one, but we're going to use the dice today. So with this one, I'm going to go ahead and pull 2 dice. The other day when I did it off camera, I did 1 dice and just rolled it 3 times. But I did not record that. I was just trying to stuff and put my money where it goes, because regardless if I record or not, I'm gonna stuff. This is 7. So let's see here. I'm gonna do it in orange. Let me find a 6 and a 1. Give this one 7. And this challenge currently has, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17. Okay, so we're gonna take this here and give 2 5s. Okay. Our next savings challenge is our 26-week savings challenge, and I'm going to add 10 to this. So let's see, we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yay. Nice. So we're gonna exchange that for a 20. Have $50 in there now. That's nice. At the end, we should have 702. Alrighty, our next one here is our $10 savings challenge. We currently have 10 in there. So we're going to do another 10 and then switch all of it out. Just put a 20 in. Okay. Our next savings challenge is 5. So we should currently have 15 in there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we do. And so today we're going to add another 5, which will make it a 20. And at the end, we should have 50. So I'm going to switch this out for a $20 bill. Oh, I don't have a $20 bill. So I'm going to switch this out to all 5s. So I'm going to take this 10, give me 2 5s. And then I'm going to put the 5 I owe it for our 20. Okay, and that is it for this savings challenge binder. Whew. All right.